Clackety-clack, how about that? Then what's in my boxcar? Pogo sticks! Critters, no pogo sticking! Come back! Boy, am I glad to see you, Red. The whole barnyard's a-bouncing!
It's an emergency! Yes, I'm good at these. Faye, let's lasso the pogo sticks!
Time to twirl! Mega lasso activate!
Max, herd the animals to learn the boxcar.
Yes, sir, Red, sir! Time to get bouncy! To the max! Bouncing birds, coming your way! Pardon me, sheep, but I need that pogo stick back!
Sorry, no pogo sticking for you, cows. Mega hose, activate!
Hoo-wee! Mighty fine work, yo!
Roar, cones! Great work, guys, and not a moment too soon.
Wahoo! I'm a cowboy on a real cow!
Pups, they're following the path, but they're not slowing down. I've got this, Ryder. Stop! In the name of the paw! Hey, it worked! All right, Rubble. Move some more hay bales to close the animals in. Alex, I'll get you off Bettina.
Shoo, shoo! Get away from there! Whoa! Hey! I never knew cows could be so fast! Whoa! How do you stop this cow?
Scott, use your harness to grab Alex.
Yeah!
Phew. It's okay. She loves to swim. Chase told me what happened. Thanks for rounding up my animals.
It's okay. Whenever you have a problem, just yelp for help.
I've been syruped! Yum, but needs pancakes. Oh no, it's empty! Oh boy, those cows are looking hungry, and you look mighty tasty. Time to make tracks! The cows are catching up! Move faster! I can't! My wheels are too sticky and I'm covered in leaves. Ooh, that gives me an idea! What you need is more leaves so the cows won't see you. Stay still. And be very quiet. It worked! Great idea! Thanks, Nate. But shush! Oh, right. Sorry. Yeah! Woohoo! Yay! Done and delivered.
Ryder, I'm so glad you're here. We We can't find our goats anywhere.
We'll find them and fix that broken gate, too. Right, Rocky?
Right. Screwdriver. This pen is ready for the kids.
Let's go. Hi, Mayor Goodway. What's up?
Yumi's baby goats just chewed up my beach blankie.
We're on our way. Pops, the goats are on the beach. We've got to herd them together.
On it. Here, goaty goaty. I've got him on our raft. Great. But who's got the raft? Huh? The tide came in and took it.
Just when we didn't want it to.
Mayor Goodway told me my goats were here. Where are they?
They sort of went sailing.
Zuma, we need a water rescue.
Let's dive in. Help us here, little goat dudes. Oh, no. Ryder, they've chewed the raft apart and they're floating all over. What should I do?
We've got to find a way to get those logs back together.
Running goat! Like in yoga class! Run, little goats, run!
Awesome running, goats. Keep it up. I'll push you back to the beach.
My babies! Thanks, Paw Patrol.
No problem. Whenever your yoga goats go running, just yelp for help.
The only place these tired little guys are going is home.
This is much easier than going through town.
Oh, look! We're coming up to Farm Station. I see Clay and May and lots of... Hey! May, Clay, watch out!
Uh-oh. Not again.
Everyone okay?
We're okay. Can't say the same for the hay. We'll help you. Whoa! What's going on? All the pigs are on your beams! This thing's tipping! I can use this hay for balance! Mega Digger, activate! Hooray for hay! Okay, piggies, how about we conga ourselves to the barn? Do, 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 do! The pigs are back home! Build a crack and fix the bridge, fix the bridge, fix the bridge. Build a crack and fix the bridge, keep building fast.
I don't know about you kids, but I am truly tuckered out.
Wow, Auntie Mayor. I've never seen a grown-up hop like that.
What can I say? I've still got some pop in my hop. Now, who's in the mood for some yummy grapes?
I am.
Me too, please.
Wonderful! Now, where did I leave my purse? I could have sworn it was right over here. I know I put my purse right here on this bench, but now it's nowhere to be seen. My little bundle of feathery joy was napping in the purse, and now she's gone.
We need the Paw Patrol.
Chase, use your heat vision goggles to look in those bushes.
Ruff! Visor! I see something!
Chickaletta?
Nope, just a big old crow eating a grape.
Hey, Auntie Mayor had grapes in her purse.
And there's another one, and another one.
Sky, Mayor Goodway had grapes in her purse. Can you spot any from up there?
I think I see something. Yep, They're grapes, all right. A trail of grapes.
Oh, a trail!
This way! I'm picking up a scent! Seagulls! The gulls must have carried the purse here to the beach. Sky, can you see Chickaletta? We think she's somewhere on the beach.
Chickaletta is not on the beach. She's on the water.
Zuma, Chickaletta's heading for a splashdown, and I need you to catch her in your hovercraft.
Good to see you, pal. You think maybe you could scooch off the tracks for me? Scooch, scooch, scooch! Okay, new plan. You stay there doing whatever it is you're doing, and I'll scooch to the other track. See you later, Goaty. Next up, building yards. Goaty? The plan was no moving! I've got an urgent delivery to make. Please let me pass. Backing it up. Nothing's derailing this delivery. If I reroute through Bugle Bridge, I'll be back on schedule and avoid... Goaty. Backing it up, and then I look up, and guess who I see? Goaty! He was everywhere I went, all day long.
That is rather odd behavior. Maybe he wanted something.
I don't know, he's a goat. It's not like I had time to ask him what he wanted. You want to go for a ride?
Awesome!
Woo, yeah! Hey, Goaty, I was wondering, were you sitting on the tracks today because there was something you wanted from me?
Maybe he wants to go for a ride?
It's worth a try. What do you think, Goaty? Isn't this awesome? Just look at that view!
Goaty, the view's over here.
I guess he's not interested.
Or he just can't find what he's supposed to be interested in. Go back again. I want to try something. Huzzah! This is what Goaty wanted. A ride with a view.
Let's make tracks, Goaty!
On the zigzag trail, Pops, Mula Terka's run away with Chickaletta, and Mare Goodaway's hanging from a tree limb. We need to get the mare down, so for this mission I'll need Sky.
This puppy's gotta fly!
I'm also gonna need Chase. Chase is on the case. Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Sorry, Ryder. Nothing yet. Wait!
Oh, it's Sky! Smile!
I found her! But we better hurry.
Okay, Chase, time for your net.
Whoa! Nice view.
Now let's go get Mula Terka and Chickaletta. Sky?
I'm heading up the trail now. Ryder, they're on a rickety rope bridge, and it doesn't look very safe.
I have an idea. Come in, Tracker.
Hola, Ryder. I'm all ears. Todos oídos.
Ready to fly, Tracker? I'll catch you. Gotcha.
Oh, Chickaletta, you're safe. Thanks, Tracker.
Hey, Mula Terka, look what I have.
Ryder, you did it!
Whenever you have a problem, Mare, just hee-haw for help.
That's the biggest donut I've ever seen! For a donut that's not real, it's really heavy.
I wish donuts were that huge, because I love them.
It's a runaway cart filled with cuckoo chickens!
Watch full episodes of Mighty Express on Netflix.